again, and we have 3 tasks for today. First one is add links for interactive resume page. So we are going to, well, these are all simple tasks for today. We are going to add a link to /CV to our navbar. So I'm just going to add another navbar item. That shouldn't be too difficult. The next task is to look into optimized state calls on navbar collapsed and expanded. This is for that one. So I'm just wondering how this works. I'm just wondering how many times does this get called. So I'm going to try to add a console.log or something to see how many times this gets called. And then last task is navbar height should be the same as previous website. This might have to do more with custom fonts, but we'll take a look anyway. Shouldn't be that difficult. All right, let's start with add link for interactive resume. Okay, so as I said, we are going to add a /CV section. Okay, this is the navbar stuff. Reference. All right, let's see where we use this. So I'm just wondering if this would break the current. Okay, it doesn't break, but Actually, I don't want to add this tier because these things aren't, like, they are not supposed to have targets, right? But at the same time, it's a navbar item. But how can we? Actually, it's a good idea to add a tier. Never mind. So I'm just going to add one more item in here. Let's just duplicate this. The title is going to be interact. That's too long. Right. This will be a design decision later on, but I want people to be able to access my normal resume and also the interactive resume. So I'm not sure if this is a good idea to add it to the navbar. Should I park this and maybe do something else? Should I add the link there, or should I add the link somewhere else? Because my current resume is just, it's better than the interactive resume that I'm going to put on my website, right? Anyway, let's just add it. And then we can remove it later. Okay, it's not target. It's not target. It's href. Yeah, href is -cv. Why doesn't this work? It's always difficult, isn't it? Always has to be. Okay, fine. So if I remove this, can I have the link behavior back? Whoa, that's... all of these become active now. But why doesn't this work? So if I did this, would it work? Yeah. Whoa, the navbar sucks in here. Need to come up with a better solution for the navbar, but okay, it's fine for now. Yeah, we've broken it just like yesterday. Maybe it's this because of this reason? Don't think so, but yeah, it's not that. Oh, it's still trying to register this as a target element. Whoops, that's a problem. This is not a target. These are targets, yes, but that's not a target. That means you can't edit there. Those things are meant to be used with. Okay, fine, let's remove it from here. Let's write back the changes in here. And then we can go back to navbar. Actually, I will need this one. We'll copy that. We are going to paste it right after this one. But yeah, that doesn't look good either. So we can copy this, paste that. But then we will also need to add another property to navbar item. So navbar items can but if I add the interactive CV there, it's just going to make it more confusing for people. You know what? Let's just park this. But also, I want to have a blog. They should all go into the navbar. Okay, let's modify the navbar item component. The navbar item component is going to take another property now. Title, reference, link. Title will be required. So, yeah. Reference is not required. Link is not required. To active class to href. Will be the link. Cool. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Let's go back to navbar. Copy this, and right after we start adding these, paste it there. We're not going to have an item.title. I'm just going to hard code it in here. and instead of reference we're going to have a link, and this is going to be /cv. Let's see if this works. No. Very nice. That means these have to be links, not just regular links, right? Looks like. So these will have to be regular links. I don't. What does the spy do? Yeah, I see. Oh, okay. Spy is required. href is fine. To active class. What if we remove the active class? Still doesn't go to the link. What if I remove these two? Does it become a regular link then? Oh, still doesn't do it. Wow. So this component has no way of. So you can't use these things as just regular links, right? Yeah, seems like it. But why would you anyway? Because these are just normal links anyway, right? Oh, confusing stuff again. Yeah, this is going to be Navbar script. They're just making it complicated. Okay, that's, I would call that progress. So we just need to have the white link class in here. Oh no. Yeah. Cool. Okay, well, there needs to be a better way of separation, or I need to add more spacing between them. You know what? I should add more spacing between them. But that's another user story. Let's not do scope creeping. Add link for interactive resume page. That's done. Navbar height should be the same as previous website. So the scrolled one. Let's go back to the previous website. Again. Ugh, what's going on with GoDaddy? Like, my domain is registered on. Anyway. This isn't it. Something is taking my website down from GoDaddy, but anyway. Let's go. Can I just get the link? Yes. Okay. So the scroll height. What is the scroll height of this right now? Calculate computed. Computed height is 50 pixels. It's just 50. Okay. What's the height of this one then? 43 pixels. And where's this rule coming from? Navbar collapse. Navbar collapse. And let's see if they rename the class name. Navbar. No, they haven't renamed it. Okay, I can probably use the same class name then. This one. Copy. No. Oh, it's using the same class name. Wait, so where are the height of these items determined? Okay. So if I remove this class name, the height doesn't change. The height is still there. Well, this is still there. Huh. So where's the height coming from then? Okay. 50. Height. Not from here. It has to be coming from somewhere in here, right? Oh no. 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 Okay, no. I'm probably looking at the wrong thing. There needs to be a better way of seeing the height. Okay, let's just Google search. Bootstrap Navbar height. Oh, also, let's see how we determine when you scroll, and if it's not. This is used there. Now expand. Where is this coming from? There. So is it just changing this to 25 pixels, then it's just going to magically be a 50 now? Oh no. But I know what the problem is now. This has to be 20, yes. But I'm going to copy this, paste it there, and this is going to be 5. And that should solve the problem, right? Yes. Okay, looks great. And now the height of this is what? 81 pixels. Oh, refresh. Yeah, it's a bit taller, right? Yeah, I'm okay with that. That difference is negligible. But I don't like the border at... I don't like this border now. But anyway, that's something that I could live with. Okay. The height looks good. Actually, I want it to be a bit shorter. Not 4. 3 is good. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's fine. The next ticket is looking to optimize state calls. Yes, I told that I'm going to optimize these things, the state expanded and collapsed state. So this is pure JavaScript, right? I can do console.log navbar expanded. Apparently I cannot. Oops. Can I remove this? Yeah. So now let's see. So it doesn't call it as I'm scrolling, it only calls it when I'm at the top and down. Oh, but at the top it does. And here it calls it multiple times. But that's fine, it's just generating 2 calls. What if I start this? Two false, 2 true. Why is it 2? You know, this is probably not more efficient, but let's see if this does anything. Still a couple. Okay, if navbar is expanded, make it false. Looks valid. And else if is 50 and still doesn't look good. Yeah, we've probably broken it anyway. 2 calls are absolutely fine. This is probably less efficient than just doing 2 calls, but if this triggers a redraw, then this might be more efficient. But okay, let's see what I did. So if offset is that, and we set it to false, so it can't enter in here again unless it enters here. So we make it true again. Yeah, okay, let's copy this. Let's just see if we've broken it. We've broken it, but again, I want to see. Yeah, we've broken it. Line 36, React hook use effect has a missing dependency handle scroll. What? Yeah, it doesn't have a missing depend. Oh, you can remove. Okay, nice, thank you. Yeah, that makes it more efficient. Only 1 call. Anyway, yeah, I'll call this. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. This is absolutely fine. This will only ensure that state changes once, not twice. But I shouldn't have done this. This looks very ugly. But yeah, it works, right? So can I just keep it as an else? I can't, right? Because it's gonna do. Yeah, then it becomes even worse. Okay. I like this solution. Let's keep it this way. So yeah, we've made it efficient. No unnecessary state changes anymore. Height is okay. Looking to optimize state calls is okay. Add link for interactive resume page is okay, even though I don't like this being super close to that one and there's a space there. So it's like project skills, ongoing projects, contact, interactive resume. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like 7 items, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 items, but it looks like 7 items right now. Anyway, that is something that I should think about while designing this thing. And the design is clearly not good. There are clearly some faults with the design. And yeah, I will probably create some user stories regarding the design. And I might do a stream on where I just sketch ideas with Sketch. What else? Put the map view onto the new website, bring back the contact section from the old website. We can bring back the old contact section from the other website, right? It's only been half an hour and I can try to do it. Why not? Okay. So this is the contact page. Side by side. Don't need that. This is, yeah, are we done with the navbar? I think we're done with the navbar. We can just merge it. not MVP. Yeah, it's MVP. Minimum viable product, most valuable player. So that should be fine. Can I get the link? Yeah. Create a pull request. Yeah, that's the difference. What? Oh, yeah, I moved this file. I've added these things. I forgot to delete. Oh, yes. No more pull requests, guys. No. There's something that we haven't done. I'm not going to bring my contact section now. I'm going to probably end the stream here because there's one big thing that we have missed, and that is mobile. So yeah, I have to add the same behavior to the current, well, the new one, because when I click on this, nothing happens, and also I need to switch the order of these. This should go left, this should go right. Yeah, anyway, I want to do some more research, and also I want to fix my current website, because when I go there, oh wait, it works now. Why wasn't it working before? Well, GoDaddy might be having issues, DNS servers, I don't know, something's going wrong, and I'll take a look at that. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna do some research on how to make this stuff work. Actually, I'm gonna do something now. Let's see what that button does. So where's that button? Toggle navigation. This is the thing. Okay, I'm better off doing this offline and coming back to you ready with a stream. So anyway, I'll continue later. I'm gonna do some research. I'll see. I'll probably do another stream tomorrow or the day after. I'm not sure. Depends on how I feel. Anyway, bye.